So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher blinking Express 60 and normal reset steps. So fix 1 is perform a hard reset. Turn off the dishwasher, unplug the power cord or flip the dedicated circuit breaker off. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes to allow residual power to drain. Restore power and attempt to run a cycle. Second fix is check the water inlet valve. Locate the water supply valve under the sink and ensure it is fully turned on. Shut off the main water supply. Disconnect the water line from the dishwasher inlet valve. Inspect the small mesh screen inside the valve or sediment or blockages. Clean the screen carefully with a toothbrush. Check the valve for age or crack. Replace it if doesn't open fully when trusted. Third fix is inspect the float switch. Open the dishwasher door to access the interior. Locate the float, typically a small plastic or stuffy foam cylinder, in the front left corner at the bottom of the tub. Check beneath the float of any debris, food particle or standing water. Manually lift and drop the float to confirm it moves freely and click into place. Fourth fix is clean filter and drain line. Remove the cylindrical filter assembly at the bottom of the tub. Wash it roughly with warm soap water to remove accumulated grease and gunk. Check the drain hose under the sink to ensure there are no sewer leakings or blockage. Fifth fix is verify water temperature. Water entering the dishwasher should be between 120 Fahrenheit to 140 Fahrenheit for optimal operation. Run the hot water tap in the kitchen sink for 2 minutes before starting the dishwasher. This ensures that hot water is readily available for the dishwasher. Thanks for watching.